In the second row, I have taken the assignment for x1, x2 and x3 as x1 is 1, x2 1, x3 0. And x1 complement being the complement of 1, obviously this would be 0. I have written here that very. And x2 into x3, that is 0 into 1, this is equal to 0. And alpha being x1 complement plus x2 into x3, so this is 0 plus 0, so this is 0. Similarly, in this third row, I have taken the value of x1 1, x2 equal to 0, and in place of x3 I have taken 1. And the x1 complement, that means 1 complement, this is obviously equal to 0, and x2 into x3, this being 0 into 1, this is equal to 0. And I have written here that way. Okay. And alpha x1 complement plus x2 into x3. So this is 0 plus 0. Obviously this is 0. In this fourth row, I have taken x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0. And x1 complement, that means 1 complement, this is equal to 0. And the x2 into x3, that is 0 into 0, this is equal to 0. Okay, so x1 complement plus x2 into x3, 0 plus 0, and of course that would be equal to 0. That means the value of alpha is here equal to 0. I have written that 0 here. In this row 5, for x1 I have taken 0, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1. x1 complement means 0 complement, and of course that would be 1. I have written here. And x2 into x3, that is 1 into 1, so this is 1, this is 1. So x1 complement plus x2 into x3, that is 1 plus 1, and of course that would be equal to 1. I have written here 1. Clear? In this sixth row, I have taken the value of x1 equal to 0, the value of x2 equal to 1, value of x3 equal to 0. x1 complement, that is 0 complement, so this is equal to 1. I have here written 1, so I have written here 1. Okay. And x2 into x3, that is 1 into 0. 1 into 0, that means this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. And alpha being x1 complement plus x2 into x3, that is 1 plus 0, and of course that would be 1. As we already know from the composition table that 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So this is 1. In this seventh row, I have taken x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, and x3 equal to 1. x1 complement, that is 0 complement, and obviously that would be 1. x2 into x3, that is 0 into 1, so this is equal to 0. And alpha being x1 complement plus x2 into x3, that is 1 plus 0, this would be equal to 1. I have written here. And in this eighth row, I have taken x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0. And x1 complement, that is 0 complement, sorry, this is 0 complement, this is equal to 1. As we know, 0 complement equal to 1. Okay, x2 into x3, that is 0 into 0, so obviously this is equal to 0. And alpha being x1 complement plus x2 into x3, 1 plus 0, that is 1 plus 0, and of course that would be equal to 1. I have written here that very. So from these very composition table or assignment table or value table, from these very assignment table, we have had the values of this very Boolean expression alpha, which there has been given the values of this very Boolean expression for each and every assignment of x1, x2 and x3, how many numbers of how many types or how many types it is possible to assign. Okay, for each and every assignment that is possible for this x1, x2 and x3 and the corresponding values of the Boolean expression, given Boolean expression alpha, we have written in this very assignment table. And we shall be mainly concentrated upon, we shall mainly be concentrated upon those very rows of this assignment table. We shall mainly be concentrated upon those very rows of this assignment table specifically for which we have the values of this alpha Boolean expression equal to 1. Look at this very assignment table. For this first row we have the value of the very Boolean expression equal to 1. So we shall take this row in our next consideration. Similarly, in this fifth row, we have the value of this Boolean expression equal to 1. So we shall have to be considered this very row, that means the row 5 also. Similarly, we shall have to consider the row 6, row 7, row 8 because in each of these rows for the corresponding assignment, we have the values of this very Boolean expression alpha equal to 1. So what I have told you now, please take it crucial that we are considering those very rows of this assignment table particularly or specifically for which we have already had the values of the very Boolean expression alpha equal to 1. For this first row, we have had the value of the Boolean expression 1. For this fifth row, we have had the value of the very Boolean expression equal to 1. For this sixth row, we have had the value of the Boolean expression equal to 1. For this seventh row, we have had the value of the Boolean expression equal to 1. And for this eighth row, we have had the value of the Boolean expression equal to 1. So we shall now take these row 1, row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8 in our consideration, next consideration. Okay.